Hey there everyone! If you love digital reading, and then the Apple Books app is definitely the perfect buddy for you. In this quick guide, I'll take you through everything you need to know to really enjoy this amazing app. So without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, go ahead and open the Books app. When you do that, you'll land on the homepage. Here, you'll see some top picks, bestsellers, and other books that you might enjoy. At the bottom of the page, you'll also find your reading goals. You can adjust this by tapping on it, then tapping on Adjust Goal and selecting a time frame. This feature can make your reading experience more enjoyable and even help you finish more books. Next up, we have your library, where all the books you purchase and add will be stored. Then there's the bookstore, and I think we all know what that's for. After that, you'll find the audiobook store. Lastly, there's the search feature which you can use to find specific books. Now, let's open up a book and explore some other cool features. Once you have your book open, just tap anywhere on the screen. Then tap on the icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Next, select Themes and Settings. From here, you can change the theme of your book. You can also increase or decrease the font size and brightness as well. If you tap on Customize, you can adjust the font and the spacing between the lines, characters, and words. You can even look up definition of words. If you come across a word you don't know, simply tap and hold it for a second. Then tap on the Look Up from the pop-up menu, and it will show you the definition. You can also highlight sentences. To do that, just tap and hold a word. Then move the two cursors to the beginning and end of a sentence or paragraph you want to highlight. After that, just tap on Highlight. You can change the highlight color and even underline it if you want. And if you'd like to translate a sentence for better understanding, just tap and hold a word in that sentence. Then move the cursors to the beginning and end of the sentence. Next, tap on Translate, and the app will take care of the translation for you. You can tap here to change the translation language as well. Now let's go over how to remove a book from your library. First, head over to your library. Then tap on the three dots under the book you want to remove. Next, tap on Remove from the pop-up menu. After that, hit Remove Download and it will be removed from your device. Now tap on the three dots again. Then tap on Remove once more. After that, just tap on Hide Book and it will disappear from your library. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in to this quick guide to the Apple Books app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.